Hello, third and fourth graders. I am so excited for our next project. I either delivered or your family picked up a book, and it is a biography. A lot of the books may say who was and then a person's name. You are going to need your biography every single day for basically the next 3 or 4 weeks. We're going to work on this. We're going to make some really cool projects. We're going to write an essay. We're going to take notes. Lots of really neat things that we are going to do with our biography. So today, you are going to start planning and taking notes. So you're going to need your biography and a notebook. You should have a notebook from school. We sent one home a couple weeks ago. So go ahead and hit pause and get your biography and your notebook and a pencil. All right, so now as you read, you need to keep some things in mind. You need to be planning. You are reading a biography and then you are going to create your own biography based on the notes that you take. So as you're reading, some things you need to think about are important dates. So important dates may be when your famous person was born, maybe dates that they were married, dates maybe that might be important if they opened businesses or closed a business. All of those type of things will have a date, and those important dates you will need to take notes as you read. Family. Family is very important to most people. In your book, you probably will read about parents, siblings. Take notes, write that information down. Education. Did your famous person graduate from school? Did they have to quit school early? What is their education? When they talk about education in your book as you're reading, take those notes. Obstacles or problems. So everybody faces obstacles in their life or a problem. An obstacle is a problem. When they talk about in the book a struggle that your famous person may have had or an obstacle or a problem, take notes on that. Accomplishments. So take notes on your famous person's accomplishments or the good things that they have accomplished. You're going to see my notes on Milton Hershey. Probably recognize that last name, Hershey. And so you're going to learn about Milton Hershey's accomplishments. Any major events. When did they get married? Did their family pass away? Did they open a business? Did a business close? Did they discover something new? Any major events that you think are important, you need to take notes on those as well. So here's an example of my first day of notes. And so you can see that I just read for about 20 minutes and I was able to take these notes today. And I just kind of wrote them in order. I spaced out my lines. That helps me see what I've written clearly. And notice I'm not writing in complete sentences. When we take notes on the things that we're reading, we're writing down the facts, but we're not copying the entire sentence from the book, because you will need to change the information and the facts and put it in your own sentence. So I have Milton Hershey. He was born September 13th, 1857. Henry and Fanny were his mom and dad. Pennsylvania, that's where he was born. He was poor. He quit school at the age of 12. His first job at a printer, he was fired. And his second job was at a candy store in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And I have a little heart there because he loved that job. So here are just some notes, and when I change these notes into paragraphs and sentences, I will use my own words. So I'm taking the facts and just writing the facts. today you are going to read and you are going to take notes. So what is that going to look like? So you will get your book, get your notes, you're going to push play. When the time, you're going to read for the 20 minutes, take your notes, and then when you are finished, you are going to submit a picture of your notes here, and you'll click here, and it will take you to your assignment to submit your pictures. And I will explain how that will look in the next video. Thank you.